हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस एजुकेशनल वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को डीएवी क्लास 8 साइंस के चैप्टर नंबर 5 फ्रिक्शन का सॉल्यूशन देने वाली हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, प्रीवियस चैप्टर पे भी सॉल्यूशन वीडियोस अपलोड है। यदि आपने वीडियो नहीं देखा तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन पे आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा और ऊपर आई बटन पे भी मैं वीडियो दे दूंगी, तो उन वीडियोस को जरूर देख लीजिएगा। तो चलिए इस चैप्टर के सॉल्यूशन को देखते हैं। फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। Friction always opposes any relative motion between the two surfaces that are in contact with each other. Static friction is always greater than sliding friction. Sportsmen use shoes fitted with spikes to increase friction between their shoes and the ground. Sprinkling of talcum powder on the carom board helps to decrease friction. Frictional force on an object moving in a fluid depend on its shape and speed. The shape of an aeroplane is streamlined, reduce the effects of friction due to air. Next देखते हैं। State true or false for the following statements. When a body slides over smooth and wet surfaces, the amount of interlocking of irregularities of the two surfaces in contact increases. False. If a car moves eastward, the force of friction acts southwards. False. Friction depends on how hard the two surfaces press against each other. True. The sole of shoes and the tires of the vehicles are treated to decrease the effects of friction. False. Lubricants can be liquids, semi-liquids or solids. True. Frictions can be increased by using ball bearings between the moving parts of machines. False. Next देखते हैं। Fluid friction can be minimized by giving suitable shapes to the objects moving through the fluid. True. Tick the correct option. Suppose your writing desk is tilted to a position where a book kept on it just starts sliding down. The figure showing the correct direction of frictional force acting on it is, देख लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स। Two boys are applying oppositely directed and equal in magnitude forces on a box as shown in the figure. In such a case, the force of friction that would exist between the lower end of the box and the ground would be called static friction. 4 students were asked to arrange the frictional forces due to rolling, static and sliding friction in an increasing order. Their arrangements are listed below. The correct arrangement is rolling, sliding, static. Next देखते हैं। The energy used up in overcoming friction gets converted mainly into heat energy. Rahul rolls a ball on a wooden surface. The ball covers a certain distance before coming to rest. To make the same ball cover a much longer distance before coming to rest, Rahul should sprinkle talcum powder on the wooden surface. Next question है, a block is sliding on a horizontal surface. The force of friction between the two can be increased by polishing the surface. Answer the following questions in brief. Define the terms static friction, sliding friction. Static friction, the force of friction acting between the surface of two bodies under the application of applied force when one body doesn't move. Sliding friction, the force of friction acting between surfaces of two bodies when one body slides over another. Next question है question number 2. State the meanings of term rolling friction, fluid friction. Rolling friction, the force of friction acting between the surfaces of two bodies when one body rolls over another. Fluid friction, the frictional force exerted by fluids against the moving object. Next question देखते हैं question number 3. State the likely cause of friction. The cause of friction is the roughness of the two bodies. If roughness is more, the force of friction increases, and if the roughness is less, the force of friction decreases. Next question देखते हैं. Question number 4. A box is resting on the floor. To move it, a variable force is applied as shown in diagram. Give the likely value of the force of limiting friction to F. Why does the box stay at rest in the cases corresponding to figure A and figure B? In both the cases, frictional force is equal or greater to applied force, because on increasing applied force, static friction also increases. Next question is, mark the direction of frictional force and mention the kind of frictional force that come into play in each case. The direction of frictional force is left. Static friction comes into play in each case. Name the kind of frictional friction that comes into play when a book kept on a cylindrical pencil is moved by pushing it. Rolling friction. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन है, why are objects given special shapes when they are moving through fluids? Write the name given to the special shapes. Objects are given special shapes because to reduce fluid friction and helps to acquire a faster speed. Such shapes are called streamlined shape. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. डिफाइन फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. लिस्ट द फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. एक्सप्लेन विथ एग्जांपल्स. Friction is an opposing force which acts in the direction opposite to the motion of the body and also acts tangential to the surface. Factors affecting friction. Nature of two surfaces in contact. Force pressing the two surfaces together. Example, rubbing of two stones to generate fire. Here the stones are rough and the friction depends on roughness of two bodies. Next देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. A ball is allowed to roll down an inclined wooden plane from a given height. At the foot of the inclined plane, it moves on a horizontal surface differently covered one by one as shown in the following figures. Case A, Case B, Case C. In which case is the ball likely to move the longest distance? Give reason for your answer. In case C, ball will cover longer distance. The plain glass is very smooth as compared to woolen cloth or newspaper, so the force of friction acting on it reduces and ball will cover longer distance. Next देखते हैं. Explain why sliding friction is slightly less than static friction. The sliding friction is less than static friction because of interlocking of irregularities in two surfaces. When the object starts sliding, the contact points on its surface do not get enough time to lock into the contact points on the floor. So the sliding friction is very less than static friction. Next question देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Give reasons for the following. We tend to slip when we step on a banana peel. A thin layer of banana comes in between our feet, shoes and ground. Our feet are then no longer able to grip the floor firmly and push it backward. So we tend to slip. Next question देखते हैं. It is easier to push a lighter box than a similar heavy box on the same floor. A lighter box results in less amount of force pressing the box against the surface. As we know that force of friction depends on the magnitude of the force weight pressing the two surfaces together. So in the heavier box, more friction acting on. So it is easy to push lighter. The force needed to start a cart is somewhat greater than the force needed to keep it moving with a uniform speed. When a cart is static and is about to move, static friction comes into play. When a cart is moving, sliding friction comes into play. We know that static friction is more than sliding friction. Due to this, the force needed to start a kart is greater than the force needed to keep it moving with a uniform speed. Next देखते हैं, sportsmen use shoes fitted with spikes. Sportsmen use shoes fitted with spikes on their soles. This helps to increase friction and to get a better grip on the ground. Next question देखते हैं, ball bearings are used in machines. Ball bearings are small metal balls that when placed between the moving parts of a machine help to reduce friction. This results in a very much smoother motion of such parts. Next देखते हैं, tires of vehicles need to change regularly. The tires of vehicles need to be changed regularly due to wear and tear of the tires. The tires becomes smooth. The friction between tire and road reduces and tires become slippery. This will cause dangerous accidents. So the tires of vehicles should change regularly. Machines are frequently oiled or greased. Oiling and greasing of machine parts results in less wear and tear, less energy wastage, reduced friction and helps to move freely. Metal chains are wrapped on tires when they run on icy roads. Icy roads provides less amount of friction. It is very difficult to drive on icy roads. The friction between road and tires is very small. This will lead to skidding of vehicles. Metal chains are wrapped to increase the friction to a sufficient value and thus reduce the chances of skidding of vehicles. Next देखते हैं, cars, aeroplanes and boats are designed to have a streamlined shape. Sports cars, aeroplanes and boats are designed to have a streamlined shape because this will reduce fluid friction and acquires a faster speed. We push the ground in the backward direction. Friction then provides forward reaction and makes us move forward. Without friction, we will not drive vehicles because in absence of friction, vehicles may skid or turn the road surface made rough, so that walking and driving become easier. This is very difficult to ride on a smooth surface, so friction can help in cause of motion in certain situations. स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ हम लोगों का ये सॉल्यूशन वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया। यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए एजुकेशन वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा। अपने दोस्तों के साथ और क्लासमेट्स के बीच वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिएगा। यदि आप किसी और चैप्टर की भी वीडियो चाहते हैं तो नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करना बिल्कुल नहीं भूलिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।